This is from Candle Warmers, etc., a 2-in-1 fragrance warmer. I love the design of this. Let's open her up. Comes with the upper container that you can use for your melts. Also a user guide. And the main base. So just a heating platform here and a cord. And that's pretty much it. Off and on. Oh, little minus point here, you guys. The plate, I notice, is not centered perfectly. To some of you, that might be a big minus point. To me, nah, doesn't bother me. The key warning here is not to immerse in water. Might be common sense for most, but maybe not for some. So I have turned the switch on, and she's ready to go, getting warm already. And I have this wax melt that I actually made recently, so let's put her in. Let's put in the whole thing here. And now we wait. And less than half an hour later, we're in a almost full melt pool here. If you don't want to get your container here all oiled up with the wax, you can buy these special, I guess, cupcake type thingies, especially for wax, and you can just toss those out and keep this clean. But for the environmentally conscious, it's probably better just to use this as is. My room is smelling fantastic now. So I got mine in this sage green with gold trim to match my home, but you can get them in a variety of shapes, colors, and designs. This particular item has only one setting, on, and the light is on when you switch it on. There you go, and then off. So it doesn't have any different temperature settings, but I've just found, this is my first time using it, that it works just fine. And if you don't have any max welts, you can alternatively take this off and put on your regular candle and have the same effect. The wax tart that I'm using now, though, is a harder wax, and it's designed for melting like this. So it's a harder wax, which means it might take a little bit longer to melt initially. Indeed, the only drawback to this kind of setup here is that you don't get the crackling effect of a candle that has a wood wick. And of course, you use electricity, so it consumes power. For those of you who want to enjoy the effects of candles without any danger of fire, this is the product for you.